Okay, good day. Welcome to our presentation on some solved problems regarding addition and subtraction of rational expressions. So here we have x plus y over x minus y plus x minus y over x plus y minus this term. Okay, and as you can see, these are fractions, meaning sa taas algebraic expression, sa ubos algebraic expression. So how do we do the addition and subtraction of this? We always know that we can only add terms if they are like terms, and especially this one, we can only add the numerator if they have the same denominator. So we actually now going back to the idea of LCD. Take the least common denominator, just like like for example, like I 1/3 plus 2/4 or 2/4, no? So ano muna siya pag LCD or 1/3. So ang LCD niya na more or less will be what? 12. Okay? So you express 3 1/3 as what? 12 divided by 3 times 1, that's 4. So you re-express 1/3 as 4 over 12, and also 4 2/4 as what? Well, you could re-express 2/4 as 12 divided by 4. That's what? 3 times 2, that's 6. And you just now can add them as equal to 10 over 12, right? Or you simplify further, that's just equal to divide 2 numerator and denominator, since they are both even, 5 over 6. Similarly, the adding apart, we can also do the idea of finding the LCD. So what is the least common denominator, least common factors that is a denominator? Okay, so take a look on this one. Tingnan niyo siya ang pinakakuhanan, ano? So, this is x minus y here. This is x plus y. These are two different terms. X minus y and x plus y are lahi gina sila, no? Di gina sila mingon duol-duol lang, no? Like gina sila. So, the LCD for this case will be dapat na kay factor na x minus y. Dapat ma-divide po siya by x plus y. What is this one? The third term. Ang pinakakuan niya dana is a third term, x squared minus y squared. So, but take a look that this x squared minus y squared could still be factored out into iyahang pinaka prime factor. So, what are those? So, we know that x squared minus y squared, mura siya og ano? Difference of two squares. If you have difference of two squares, what do you do? Well, I think this is just equal to x minus y times x plus y, right? So this is just equal to that. So i-remember lang nato ang ato ang katong special no, or factoring or special products. X minus y times x plus y is equal to x squared minus y squared. And normally sa mga example sa book or sa mga exam, you will know that murag x minus y, x plus y na siya kay normally related na daan ni ang mga uban na given, no? Kay exam ra man ni siya, meaning naki-idea daan na kaning x squared minus y squared could be factored, ang iyang factor kay x minus y o x plus y kay mo iyang mga neighbor kay ingana man. So ingana balang idea. So all in all, this could be re-expressed as x plus y over x minus y plus x minus y over x plus y. Ako lang gigot ang grouping, no. Wala na siya ikuan gyud, but just to make things clearer. X squared plus 3y squared over x minus y times x plus y. Kumbaga, kanang x squared minus y squared, ato lang gi-re-express dana. Kay nga naman, because this will be our factor. So, dani karon, what will be our LCD? Least common factor, our denominator, no? Least common denominator. So, in this case, our LCD will be dapat naa siya tanang factors naa. Okay? So, dapat naa siya x minus y. Dapat napod siya x plus y. Okay? So, therefore, ang atuang factor lang gid ay atong LCD will be x minus y times x plus y. Okay? Ingon ana lang. And how do we do this? Well, pinakadali lang dani karon, ato siyang i-re-express. So, no, ato lang yanaan. Kaning first term, how do we re-express this in terms with our new denominator now? X minus y times x plus y. So, just like as what we did here, for example, 12 divided by 3 times 1, right? So, x minus y over times x plus y divided by x minus y. Asa may mabilin? So, x minus y times x plus y over x minus y. So, therefore, makancel ang x minus y, mabilin x plus y. multiplied by x plus y. Therefore, we'll have x plus y squared. Okay? Similarly, the ani will be, well, x minus y times x plus y multiplied or divide by this. So, ang mabilin x minus y. Multiply mo sa x minus y squared. Then minus this term, x squared plus 3y squared over that. So, ingana lang siya, no? Straightforward lang bali ang atong buhaton. Okay? Now, next step is to add them together. The best thing is imo siya siyang i-simplify. Okay? I-simplify nato ni sila. But actually, you can just simply add them. Okay? But take note, okay, imo nang ikuha, no? Naka-bracket dana. Meaning, the minus sign will be distributed all throughout the terms. Dili lang kay ang x squared lang magdala na. Okay? Or more or less, let me write that para dili kayo taas, no? So, x minus y times x plus y ang denominator. So, I'll add them. Kaya pwede naman siya ma-add. Kaya pareha sila denominator. So, I'll have x plus y squared plus x minus y squared. Then, minus, kaninga term will be what? X squared minus 3y squared. Ako lang distribute ang negative sign among the kanang parentheses. Okay? So, the next step will be, i-simplify nato ning x plus y squared. Kaya numerator man na siya, i-simplify nato na siya. Para basin daig makanay makancel nila. Okay? So, to do that, what is x squared plus y, x plus y quantity squared? So, simple lang, no? It will be x squared plus 2xy, right? So, atong i-remember atong special products. X plus y squared is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Mo na ang sa first term, okay? The second term, x minus y squared, ang nakalahi lang will be x squared minus 2xy. Mo lang difference, kaya negative man ang tunga, no? Plus y squared, okay? Ang next will be, ano lang, minus x squared minus 3y squared. Copy lang nato ang denominator, okay? X minus y, x plus y. If dili ka ganahan magsige copy-copy og denominator, you could isolate terms, meaning imasasulban ang numerator para bubo lang imo ang solution value. So, pwede naman na buhaton. It's up to you really. So, imo na nga tactics, okay? Now, let's simplify this one. X squared plus x squared minus x squared will be what? X squared, okay? Ang xy minus 2xy, mawala, no? Mawala. Cancel lang ang xy. Next will be y squared. Y squared plus y squared. Oh, y squared plus 2y squared minus 3y squared will be, oh, x squared minus y squared. Okay? X minus y over x plus y. Oh, this looks cool, okay? Why? Because we know that x squared minus y squared and x minus y times x plus y looks the same, right? If we return this back, we try to, you know, ato na siyang ikuan, i-simplify. We know that the denominator will simply be x squared minus y squared. Or, pwede po, the same time, ang numerator, ato nang i-try og factor out again. Pag nakuha na itong i-try og factor out, basig ma-factor. So, let's do that. Let's factor out the numerator na lang. So, x minus y times x, nabaliktad ang ko, no? Wait. X minus y times x plus y over x minus y times x plus y. And what's cool here is that cancel, 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 cancel. And the answer is 1. More or less, if you get 1, you are actually, dako kay kag chance na correct na yung answer. Nga naman, we are actually simplifying things. So, kung imong answer kay murag simple kayo nga mga numbers or expression, more or less, you got the correct answer. Kung gubot na gali kayo mong answer, murag na kay na mali diana, okay? But now, let's try to take a look back. How will we know nga murag tama na tayo answer, no? Way of checking. So my approach will always be substituting values, okay? So, bale, let's take a look on our original fraction, okay, na imong gina-add. Then, let's put values to this. Then, lantaw na to kung 1 bagyod ang answer anin niya. Kaya dapat, ingon man siya diri, no? 1. Not actually, not a function of the values of x and the y. So, let's try to have that, okay? Let's try to have that. Let's take here, let here, well, x to be any number, but the best way is to use x to be 2, shall we say, and y to be 1. Or pwede po tag dos-dos sila, no? But ayaw lang ng 1 pod ang x ug y. Kano man, ang mong denominator man good, we're afraid nga mahimong 0 and we are not allowed to do that. Number divide 0 is not a good thing, okay? As of this moment, we don't want to have that. So, let's prevent that by not having x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. So, ikaw lang yung bubuot ano, no? I'm choosing 2 and 1 because gagmay lang sila nga numbers. Ayun lang sila i-handle, okay? So, the first term will be x plus y over x minus y will be what? 3 over 1. Okay, so ang first term kay 3 lang. Or 3 over 1. Ang second term will be x minus y will be what? That's 1. X plus y, that's 3. So, 1/3. The next term will be about x squared plus 3y squared. So, x squared is 4. 3y squared is 3. So, that's what? 7. Denominator will be 4 minus 1. That's 3. 7 over thirds. Let's try to check if this will be equal to 1. If yes, then we're happy, okay? So, let's take the LCD, right? 3, okay? 3 divided by 1, 3 times 3, 9. So, plus 1 minus 7. Uh-oh, this will be 10 minus 7. 3 over 3. Is 3 over 3 equal to 1? Yes, and now we get the answer. More or less, we are confident with our answer, okay? So, simple lang din, no? Take the LCD. Try to take a look on the factor. Pila yung factor sa x squared minus y squared. And hint ni mo di ana is, more or less, ang factor ni ana is one of the factors here. Okay? Thank you.